Hey, what's up guys? Xiaomi has amazed everyone by launching Mi Mix Alpha. This smartphone comes with the two major talking points, the display and the camera. The Xiaomi Mi Mix Alpha comes with a 108MP main camera, which is the highest in the industry. This device is the first ever smartphone to use 108MP ultra high definition camera. The resolution of its output is whopping 12,032 x 9024. We have some of the images taken by the Xiaomi 108MP camera and the view is marvelous. The Xiaomi Mi Mix Alpha comes with a triple camera setup. In addition to the 108MP Ultra HD camera, this device also has a 20MP super wide angle camera, which is a Sony IMX350 sensor, and a 12MP portrait camera. The 108MP Samsung HMS CMOS sensor has a photosensitive size of 1 by 1.33 inch and an aperture of f1.69, which is a large aperture, OIS 4-axis optical image stabilization and laser autofocus. From the official images, even if the digital crop is very large, a huge chunk of the image detail still remains. Thanks to the outsole of the main camera, its output retains more optical information. From the portrait image, even after 8x zoom, details are still visible. A single image from the 108MP sensor is more than 40 MB in size, and that was a huge detail capture. The zoom capability of this camera is particularly interesting. So this is all about the amazing, marvelous 108MP triple camera of the upcoming Xiaomi Mi Mix Alpha. So what do you feel about this camera? What do you feel about this phone? Please comment in the comment section and do share this video among your friends. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.